Hello and welcome to your 15-minute Yoga for Overwhelm. To begin, find a comfortable seated position that feels natural to you. Let your hands rest softly on your knees and close your eyes if that feels good. Gently shift your attention to your breath, allowing it to flow naturally. As you inhale, invite a sense of spaciousness, and as you exhale, feel yourself grounding down. If you like, join me for our affirmation. With every breath, I feel more grounded and centered. With every breath, I feel more grounded and centered. Silently repeat these words to yourself, returning to them anytime you need. With every breath, I feel more grounded and centered. Gently begin to add some movement. Inhale to draw your shoulders up and exhale, roll them back down. 2 more. Now place your hands to your shoulder and neck area and give yourself a little massage. You can also move up to your jaw if you tend to hold a lot of tension there. Release your hands. And for a side stretch, place one hand down to the mat and reach the other arm up and over. Inhale, rise up, and exhale, twist to the same side. Return to center, keep your hands down, and if you're sitting cross-legged, bring the other leg in front. Then take a side stretch to the other side. Rise up and twist. Return to center and make your way onto your hands and knees, tabletop position for a cat-cows. Inhale, drop your belly, option to lift your gaze. And exhale around the spine, gazing down. Flow with your breath here, allowing yourself to move intuitively. After your next exhalation, return to a neutral spine. Send your left leg back, toes grounded, and begin to rock forward and back, stretching into the back of your left leg. Lift your left leg up, hold it there, strong through your core. And step your left foot forward, grounded low lunge. Place your left hand to your left knee, gentle twist to the left. And if it feels good, you can reach your left arm up to the sky. Now a little balance. Stay in your twist as you rise. Right arm forward, left arm back. And turn forward to give yourself a nice hug. Your left arm below your right, left hand to your right shoulder, and your right hand over to your left shoulder. Your gaze can stay neutral or you can lift it up a bit. To unwind, reach both arms high and plant them onto the mat. Return to tabletop and release into child's pose. Slowly rise up to tabletop and send your right leg back, toes grounded to rock forward and back. Now lift your right leg up, hold this balance. And step forward, grounded low lunge. For the twist, place your right hand to your right knee, and again option to reach your right arm high. Slowly rise up, holding the twist, and give yourself another hug, right arm below your left this time. Release your arms up and ground them down. Step back to tabletop and release into child's pose with your arms in front. If you'd like a deeper stretch, unite your palms over your head, your elbows stay on the mat. Slowly make your way onto your back for Apanasana. Hug your knees in, and if it feels good on your back, add a gentle rock. Extend your legs up, arms relaxed, soft bend in your knees, and begin to point and flex your feet. Maybe rolling out your ankles, hug your knees in once more, and butterfly pose. Ground your feet and allow your knees to sink apart. Place one hand to your heart, the other onto your belly, and return to your affirmation. With every breath, I feel more grounded and centered. You're welcome to stay here or transition into Shavasana by first bringing your knees together, allowing them to sink from side to side. And then extend your legs along the mat into your Shavasana. Make yourself comfortable to feel completely supported. Gently wake up your body. Move in any way that feels good. And in your own time, return to a comfortable seated position. Take a deep breath in, reach your arms high, and exhale, hands to heart. Thanking yourself for making time for your practice, for showing up on your mat today. Thank you so much for practicing with me, and I hope that for the rest of your day you feel a bit more calm and grounded.